pretrial detention.
Griner's one of at least 3 Americans currently in Russian custody. In a 2017 interview with ESPN, she described feelings of isolation while playing in Russia.
I mean, when you're stuck in it so much, you got to find the positive in it so you're not miserable.
Now with Russia's war against Ukraine raging on and the U.S. along with NATO
sharing a set morning, Robin. Yeah, there couldn't be
more than a month now. U.S. officials have finally been allowed to visit with her. Deborah Roberts joins us now with the latest.